Let's talk about electrician pay in Rwanda. The average electrician income in Rwanda is around 1,720 US dollars a year. That is average annual gross salary before tax, but after tax, it drops to $1,410. This leaves you with a take-home pay of about $118 a month. That monthly amount is the national average, whereas living in Kigali brings home $1,660 a year after tax. That city pay is higher, but the cost of living there is also higher, so your money does not go as far. On top of that, an entry-level electrician salary in Rwanda starts well below this average. You'll see your pay go up fast as you learn, though it soon plateaus unless you gain extra training. Getting a university degree helps you break past that limit, which is why educated workers earn noticeably more and can move into higher paying positions like electrical engineer or master technician. Large international companies pay the most, while small local firms pay a fraction of that amount because they have much smaller budgets. If you want to know how much does an electrician make in Rwanda, these factors make a huge difference. Electrician wages usually grow best when you switch to bigger employers, so your choice of company matters as much as your experience. Understanding electrician salary in Rwanda helps you plan your career better.